What's up? It is a Sunday bonus video. Today, we're going to be working on the F1000, the beautiful truck that I built here on YouTube for under $1,000. A lot of you have questions. Why do I still have it? Or why am I still working on it? What's wrong with it? We're going to answer all those and more. Let's get going. So we will start with the main question. Casey, why do you still have it? I thought you did a giveaway on it. We did do a giveaway on it. It's not mine anymore. The owner's name is Ronald Reese Page. You can watch the giveaway video whenever we did the drawing. He won fair and square. The reason he doesn't have it yet is because I said in that video whenever I was giving it away, I said, I want to put 100 miles on it. In 100 miles, I can find out if there's anything wrong with it. I can find out if I need to change anything, etc., etc. Basically, I got it done. Maybe put a mile or two on it, and then we did the giveaway because there were so many people interested. I was so happy to get it done. Had no issues. Went ahead and drove the 100 miles, had 99 miles without problems, and then the last one started having a little bit of issue. What I ended up having was a leaky intake, and funny enough, there is a, right here, just a JB welded gob of mess. And obviously, whenever there was a leak, I was like, oh, it's probably from all that JB weld that somebody put on there. Well, it turns out, after a lot of researching and moving around, like, why wouldn't you think that's the problem? But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. That is actually not the problem. It's actually underneath it. There's a gasket down there, and then also one of these intake bolts was loose, and I actually tightened that up. Seems to be okay now. But for peace of mind, I'm going to go ahead and change that out. Basically, long story short, I had several of those type of little situations pop up. The filler neck on the gas tank was leaking a little bit. Had to put a new pipe in there and a new hose. Had a couple things with the rear end bushings. The bushings back there still aren't great, but I had to change one of those out. Just little stuff like that. He had me do a couple things to it. It actually has underglow on it right now, which looks awesome. Basically, I just wanted it to be a lot more of a reliable driver instead of just a rat rod, you know, that you can drive once a month. That was kind of all it was ever gonna be, but he wants it to be a little bit something more. I'm okay with it being more, so I want it a little bit closer to being a daily driver. It still has its own little hiccups. There's a couple little things. Little stuff like that is okay, but something like an intake that might break on him down the road, I don't want to do that to him. So I'm going to be fixing that, and once that one's done, I pretty much got everything knocked out, and we're going to go ahead and do the delivery. I got my brand new intake. This actually just came today, so we are going to go ahead and dig right in. I've never done one of these. I read online and they said it was like a 12 or 20 hour job. I had a couple people on YouTube say, nah, it's not that bad. It's not fun. It's 5 or 6 hours, but it's not a 20-hour job. So we are gonna probably just dive right in, head first, just like a dumb person would, and start ripping some of this stuff up. So let's get going. I am currently about 2.5 hours in on this job. I have already determined there is no way I'm going to get all this done in one video. There's just too much work to do. So this Sunday bonus video is going to be a 2-part series. The goal for this video now is to at least get all the shit off. Unfortunately, this is a Midwest car, so half of these bolts are just fighting me. There's a couple rusted things that already broke. I'm going to have to deal with that later. A couple of my plastic clips broke. Not happy about that. You know, it's just brittle, old plastic. But yeah, what I've been doing, this is a good tip for anybody that has to take apart something very complicated with 1,000 pieces. Take pictures along the way, and then you can always go back to your pictures and go, oh, well, this line goes there, this plug-in goes here. That's going to end up saving me a lot of time down the line whenever I get to putting all this stuff back. But the goal now is I just want to get it all off for this video, and then next week, I'll try and get it all back together, because these bonus videos, I want to put a bunch of hours in, you know, because the bonus video is fun, but I can't put 20 hours in a bonus video. I've already got 25 hours in on the 51 this week, so yeah, but I needed to eat, so I decided it was a good time to stop and talk to the camera. Oh, fun fact, just in case you wanted to know what a vegetarian gets when he goes to sushi places, this is called avocado maki. It's just avocado and rice. But if you ever see a vegetarian eating sushi, And you go, what the hell is he doing? Well, that's what he's doing, avocado maki. Very good. So, I'm not excited about all the crap I have to do to finish this. I got at least another 2.5, 3 hours in. So, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch break. I've been fighting this hidden bolt all the way down there. Just, you know, Ford being Ford. I take that back. I don't do that. I don't hate on brands. I love all brands. But that's the dumbest place I've ever seen to have a bolt. Been fighting it. Got all disgusting. I wanted to take a minute to say, how smart are chopsticks? I mean, look at this. My hands are covered. But we're eating, baby. More mechanics need to get in them chopsticks. All right, I'm back to work.
I feel like amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the
check out this cool shit. The intake actually broke because this piece of aluminum is bonded to that plastic that hard. Holy shit. I mean, am I gonna have to cut that off? There's a gasket there, right? Am I losing my mind? Yeah, there's 100% a gasket there. Wow, that's gonna be fun. Oh, son of a bitch. What a job this is. Damn it. Think we can yank it. I got one coil that will not come out. So I think I'm gonna have to pull, the intake with the coil because it's such a piece of shit. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, you piece of junk. Let's go. I think there was another crack under here. Oh yeah. See the radiator fluid. There wasn't any radiator fluid in this top mount, so that's not from this. And it's not from in there, I don't think. This looks like a hairline crack right here because this is really old, dry radiator fluid here. I might replace some stuff too while we're in here. Okay, so, oh God, got everything cleaned. Everything looks good. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna probably just leave that in there for now. I need to get this off still. Plastic piece of junk, and then I think we're done. I got this looking great. I cleaned it up with brake cleaner. I just need to somehow get this thing off, and then we should be completely disassembled. Saying should a lot. It's never good when you say should like 6 times in a minute, but whatever. Should be okay. Let's see what happens. Oh God. It worked! Ugh, gross. Oh yeah, that thing's toast. Definitely need a new thermostat. Oh my God, look at all the corrosion around the aluminum parts. Jeez. We're gonna definitely have to clean that up before we put it on, but good news is we got it off. Check it out, got it all done. Everything is out, everything is cleaned. I actually cleaned up really nice. I am disgusting. But everything is disassembled, got it all cleaned up, it looks really good. Everything that I needed to take off of the intake, I got off, and it shouldn't be too hard to put it all back together, but it's definitely gonna be a bigger job that I'm gonna get done on this episode. So this ended up being about 5 hours, which is just way more than I was expecting. So we're going to go ahead and finish this one up on the next Sunday bonus episode, and whenever I get it all back together, hopefully we can take it for a spin and do some burnouts. It is overdue to ruin those rear tires. I haven't done a burnout in this in months, so it's definitely ready. So hopefully this video answered some questions for you guys if you were curious what was going on with the F1000, and stay tuned on the under $3,500 budget video, because in the video coming up in Tuesday, I get the drive shaft back. We also get the fuel tank put in it, fuel pump all done, can finally fire it up and let it run for more than, 10 seconds on starting fluid, and we get to see those rear wheels spin. So check that out on Tuesday. Love ya. Peace. Thank you very much for watching. I am very excited in the next episode to get the intake installed, get it all buttoned up so we can take it for a spin. I'm even more excited to finally get it off to Ronald so he can enjoy the truck he won several months ago. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that the most. I do have a P.O. box listed in this description. Please send me stuff, stickers, anything. If you want to see something on the wall or if you want to give me a shirt to wear during a video, more than happy to open up everything you send me. P.O. Box is in the description. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you at the end of videos. Check out some of my other videos. Peace.
I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rip the I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie.